welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like mathematics, science, social science, English grammar and general knowledge. So today, we will see video related to the subject mathematics. And that today's topic is multiplication tips and tricks. Now for that, first of all, draw a picture. Which picture? One of the simplest way to understand multiplication is to draw a picture. So we will multiply, for example, 5 multiplied by 3. Now for that, we will draw 3 boxes. In that, we will put 5 circles in each box. Okay. Now, you can just count up the dots to discover there are 15 total dots. So 5 into 3 is 15. So we can simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this it is 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So total is 15. So the answer is also 15. Use multiples to find the answer. Let us say you can't remember what 5 into 7 is. But you can remember that 5 into 5 is 25. Now you can just keep on adding 5s to 25. That is 25 plus 5, that is 30. 30 plus 5, that is 35. Therefore, 5 into 7 is 35. You can learn a lot and work on your times tables by counting in multiples. Try it for the number 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and so on. When multiplying by the number 2, if we are multiplying with 2, remember that the answer will always be an even number. If your answer isn't even, then you need to try it again. If we are multiplying with 5, the answer will always end in 0 or 5. If we are multiplying with 10, you just have to put a 0 behind the other number. With 100, put 2 zeros. For example, if the number is 7, we want to multiply 7 with 10. Then we just have to put 0 behind the 7. So it will become 70. If we want to multiply it with 100, then 7 and 00, that is 700. If we are multiplying with 11, when multiplying 11 by numbers less than 10, you can just write the number twice for the answer. For example, 5 into 11 is 55. 8 into 11 is 88. Break apart the number. Some numbers are easy to break apart and then add the two results. This is pretty much what we do when we do long multiplication. But you can do it on smaller problems if it makes them easier to solve. For example, 14 into 12. You may not have memorized 14 into 12, but you should know 7 into 12. If you learn the timetables, so you can do the following. So 2 into 7 into 12. So 7 into 12 is 84. And we add 84 2 times, then the answer will be 168. For second example, 42 into 6. In this case, we will take advantage of tens multiplying. We don't know what 42 into 6 is off the top of your head, but we do know 4 into 6 and 2 into 6. We can use these numbers to solve the problems. So 42 into 6. 42 is into 6. So 10 into 4 is 40 into 6 plus 2 into 6. So 10 into 4 is 40, or we can say 4 into 6, that is 24. So 10 into 24, that is 240, and 2 into 6 is 12. So 240 plus 12, that is 252. This you can know if you know the tables. timetables for the multiplication. Then you can easily solve this long divisions by the tables. So long multiplication. If you are having trouble with long multiplication, one idea is to circle the numbers you have already used. This way you won't accidentally use them again. For example, now I have used this 2. 2 9s are 18, 8 here, 1 here. 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 3 here, 1 here. 2 4s are 8, 9. I have used this 2. So we will circle this 2. Now the remaining number is 3. Fun tricks when multiplying numbers by 9. Hold your hands out in front of you with your fingers straight. Now, for whatever number you are multiplying 9 by, lower that finger. For example, if it is 9 into 4, lower the fourth finger from the right. Now look at your fingers. If it was 9 into 4, you have 3 fingers still up to the right of the finger you lowered and 6 fingers on the left. This is actually the answer. That is 9 into 4 is 36. 3 on one hand and 3 on one hand and 4. Try this for another numbers and see that it works. It even works for 1 and 10 because if it's 1 into 9, we have 9, which is the same as 9. If your last finger is down for 9 into 10, you have 9 and 0 fingers up. That's 90. So this is the trick, fun trick. Try it out and try to solve the table of 9 with this. So this was all about multiplication tips and tricks. I hope you got some tips and tricks regarding the multiplication through my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. We will surely reply back to your comment. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.